Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the boot device not found hard disk 3F0 error on an HP laptop. Let's get started. First, shut down your laptop completely. To enter the BIOS, turn your laptop back on and keep pressing the escape key. This will bring up the startup menu. From here, you can either select BIOS setup or directly press F10 to open the BIOS. Once inside the BIOS, use the arrow keys to go to the Advanced tab. Next, scroll down and select Boot Options. Here, find and enable the Legacy Boot Order option. After selecting it, press F10 to save the changes. Confirm by choosing Yes. Now, return to the main BIOS menu, select Save Changes and Exit, and confirm with Yes again. Your laptop will restart, and this time, Windows should begin loading without the 3F0 error. And that's it. By adjusting the BIOS boot settings, you can easily fix the boot device not found hard disk 3F0 error on your HP laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.